G'day guys, Greg here. Well, you know me, I love to be fit and healthy and eat well. Sometimes. And I love to do exercise. And the other day I was on my bike going for a ride and I went past this cafe and I had a look at the menu and on there was this smashed avo. $18. I might be fit, but I'll tell you what, I nearly had a heart attack that day. I can make that same thing at home for about $1.50. So anyway, today I'm going to make my smashed avo. If you've just had a date the night before and she stayed over, well, this would be a perfect breakfast to make her, to really impress her. Have her coming back for seconds. Anyway, let me show you what I'm using. Pretty easy. All you need is some garlic, of course an avocado. Make sure it's ripe, because if it's not ripe, she'll be in the car on the way home in about 3 seconds flat. Salt and pepper, some lemon, and of course some bread. Now this is sourdough. Well, in a perfect world it would be. That's actually Woolies home brand wholemeal. But let's just pretend it's sourdough, because it actually does taste really nice on a sourdough bread. Anyway, let's start making this. So for starters, we need to toast the bread. And grab yourself a bowl. Now, let's just hope and pray that this avocado isn't like all brown in the middle. Please, please avocado gods, please, just once, make this a good one. Yeah, except for that seed, that looked a bit dodgy, had me worried for a second there, but that's all right. Get rid of that, no worries. It's only a little seed too, awesome. Hate those big seeds. So now let's just scoop out the guts of this avo. You can tell I've been doing this a long time, can't you? Do love my avocado. Oh yeah. Especially when they're in season and they're actually affordable. Probably use a little spoon would have been better. This big one, well, it's causing me nothing but dramas. But I mean, this will be good because it'll be less washing up involved anyway. So we need some salt. Now some kosher salt would be really good, but you know, iodized kosher, same thing, right? So put some of that in, not too much, but enough. And we'll crack some pepper in there too. Always adds something, you know, a little bit nice. Now I do have some garlic here, so guys, hopefully you've already done the business in the morning and, well, you're both eating the garlic anyway. This really adds some really nice flavour. So we'll just grate just a little bit of that. Not even half, probably just a third. Although normally it gets stuck right inside here and you still got to scrape it out anyway. But that will just add just a nice little bit of flavour. And like I said, if you're both having it, then you won't have the garlic breath problem. If you want to go for a second round, if you know what I'm saying. And well, we need just a little bit of lemon. I don't want to go too much. But the lemon does a few things. I mean, it helps it stay green and it just adds this really nice little flavour to it. So just squirt a bit of that in. And now with your knife, it's called a spoon, Greg. God, I should have known that by now. I mean, after, how old am I? In my early 20s? You'd think I would have learnt by now what the difference between a fork and a spoon is. Or a knife, or whatever these things are called. Now, if you use a fork, that'll give it a bit more of a, just a chunkier sort of texture. This will really smooth it out. And now my bread is toasted. What do we do with that? Well, any sane person would add some butter, wouldn't we? Yeah, we all know the benefits of butter. Well, if you add butter, that second date will turn into a third. So we'll spread some of that on. And now, let's grab our avo and just put it on. Yummy. We'll stick that on a plate. And you know what? I'm feeling a bit fancy today. So we'll cut a little slice of lemon like this, put it somewhere, And to really finish this off, you could also add some green stuff on top. So healthy and delicious. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. Let's go. Oh man. That hint of garlic, it really is a game changer. And that lemon, it's just sort of subtle there in the background, and the rest just speaks for itself. So easy, so delicious. I tell you what, put a photo of this on your Tinder profile and watch the matches roll in. Anyway, that's all today. Hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I create something amazing. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's